Hey guys, it's Free the Coupon Queen and it's time for our Walgreens haul of the week. So I did clip a booster coupon. I got the 10% off of a $20 or more purchase. So that's the math I'm gonna be using, and that is what is going to be in the printable breakdown. If you guys got the 20%, or some of you guys were letting me know you got the 30% off coupon, that is so amazing. I'm super jealous. Just change the math accordingly, and a lot of these deals are gonna wind up being money makers, even bigger money makers for you guys. So make sure you check your accounts though, clip those coupons as soon as possible. You do not want them to disappear, and I don't know how long they're gonna last on the account. So all the printable coupons or anything else that you're gonna need, there's a few printable coupons that I did use from online. They will be in the description box as well. They'll also be in that Google document for you guys. So let's go inside and see what Walgreens has to offer us for this week. Okay, so the first deal we're gonna take advantage of is on the laundry products. So Tide Simply is included, Downy is included. There's also Bounce and the Little Small Unstoppable. So I'll check and see if we have any of those at this store. What you're gonna do is print out 2 of these coupons. You can get these from pgeveryday.com, and it includes all 3 of those products. So it includes the small scent boosters, the Downy, the Tide Simply. So you're gonna use 2 of these. That'll take off $1. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these fabric softeners because I'm still trying to replenish my stock at the house. Then I'm going to pick up 2 of the Tide Simplies. Actually, no, I'll do 1 Tide Simply, and then let's go down here and pick up the Bounce dryer sheets. So the ones that are included are these, the 40 count sheets. So I'm gonna pick up 1 of these as well. And the scent boosters that are included are these small ones right here, and they should be tagged in your store. This is the 4.3 ounce. So if you want, you can grab 1 of each of the different items, and then you're fully stocked and set for laundry for at least a month or 2, which is a really awesome deal. I will be using my 10% off coupon. So instead of paying $8, that'll take off 80 cents. I have those 2 50-cent coupons. So final cost, I believe, was $6.20 for all 4 items. So definitely not a bad deal. Another great deal you guys can take advantage of is on the Lysol cleaning products. So you can get the sprays, you can get the wipes. I like these dual action wipes. They are my favorite. You can even get these sprays, whatever you guys want to do. They're on sale, buy 1, get 1 free. So what you could do is pick up 2 of these wipes. They're the 35 count. They're $3.99. You can use 1 of these coupons, because remember, at Walgreens on the free item, you cannot use a coupon. So that'll take off 50 cents. Then the 10% off digital coupon that I have would take off an additional 40 cents, so that would be 90 cents. You would pay $3.09 for 2 of them, or about $1.55 each. So not a bad deal. There is a better deal at CVS this week, in my opinion, so make sure you guys check out my CVS haul. You can get them much cheaper. Time for the oral care deals. So Colgate is on sale, buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. Then we're gonna use these dollar off coupons from coupons.com. We're gonna pay $3.98 out of pocket, but get back that $4 extra buck, so it makes it a nice freebie. If you have that 10% off coupon like I do, it's gonna be a 62-cent moneymaker. The next deal for oral care is on the Crest 3D White or the Oral-B toothbrush. There's $1 off on the Crest and $1 off digital for the Oral-B. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 1 of each. Now the Oral-B is not tagged here, unfortunately, but I think it's going to be this one. So we're just gonna cross our fingers on that and hope that register reward prints, because it's not tagged, and usually they do tag it. So we're gonna pay, again, $3.98 out of pocket for both items, get back a $4 register reward, makes it another freebie. With that 10% off coupon that I have, it's going to be a moneymaker of about 62 cents as well. If you have the larger percent off coupons, of course, it's gonna be an even bigger moneymaker. So a really good food deal is on the pasta. So they're all buy one, get one free. So you can buy a pasta, get this free, so on and so forth, but the cheaper item is gonna be free, of course. So keep that in mind. If you get the Prego, there's a 75 cents off to coupon that you guys can use. So that would bring this down to $1.95. Then with your % off coupon, it's gonna be an even better deal. So make sure you guys, if you need some pasta sauce, you guys can stock up on that. I am going to get this Kraft Parmesan cheese because we just ran out, and this is like my favorite. And it's good until March, so we're good on that. So with the % off coupon, it's gonna take off 55 cents. We're gonna pay $4.95 for two, or about $2.47. Okay, the last deal I'm gonna take advantage of for this haul is gonna be on the nice storage bags. So we go through these all the time. So they're buy one, get two free. And they're $2.79 each. And you can get you can get this big one, you can get the freezer bags, you can get the storage bags. There's a ton of different varieties as well. The sandwich bags are included. So with the % off coupon, we're gonna wind up paying about, let's see, I have it written down, $2.51 for 3 of them, or just 83 cents each. So definitely a great deal. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens, and everything actually went perfectly. So all the digital coupons and everything worked. I didn't have that many digital coupons, so maybe that's why I was in luck and everything came off. And I want to show you guys my receipt, like I always do, for exactly how much I paid out of pocket. So here is that 10% off of a $20 or more coupon. Took off $2.83. I had a $1 off printable coupon for Colgate, the 2 50-cent coupons for the Downy, Tide, or the Unstoppables. Then I had a $1 off digital coupon for the Downy Unstoppables, which I didn't even remember that I clipped. But check your account, see if you guys have that so you can clip it. And then the other $1 off coupon. Total came to $21.41. I used $20 in points, paid $2.74 out of pocket. So it is a high out of pocket if you guys don't have those points. You can use register rewards. I just didn't have any from last week. And the 2 register rewards did print for me. For the Colgate deal, get it out of the sun for you guys. And for the Crest Oral-B deal. So that toothbrush that I did pick up did wind up working, which is awesome. So that is one of them. It's just the one toothbrush, the Oral-B single toothbrush. That is included in the Crest deal. So those wound up being money makers, which is awesome. Now those $8 I can roll into my next transaction. So if I get a spend Catalina or something that'll print this week, hopefully, then we'll be able to do that. And there's one more deal I totally forgot to videotape for you guys in store that I want to let you know about. So the Cottonelle 12 equals 20 big rolls of toilet paper are on sale for just $6. We do have a $1 coupon from the P&G inserts that came in the 12.29 inserts. So it's the January P&G. If you don't have this coupon, you can always order it from thecouponmarketplace.com. That's who I usually purchase my additional clipped coupons for, because you can buy them in singles. So you don't have to buy a bundle of like 10 coupons. So with that, that would take off $1. The 10% off took off 60 cents, so that'll take off $1.60. So you're gonna pay $4.40 out of pocket. Now, if you submit your receipt, which you should, to Fetch Rewards, you're gonna get back 2,500 points, which is the equivalent of $2.50 back, which is amazing. So instead of paying $4.40, whatever the math is on that, you're gonna wind up paying what, to $1.90, right? If my math is right, $1.90 for that toilet paper. Now, you can do that deal up to 2 times on Fetch Rewards, but it's a limit of 1 item per receipt. So you would have to just buy the toilet paper in 2 separate receipts. So you can do that deal up to twice. Now, if you're not signed up on Fetch yet, I'll put my referral code here in just a second.
you can get an additional 2,750 points when you scan your first receipt. So what you're gonna do is download Fetch Rewards, go to your app store, download it, it takes 2 seconds, type in my referral code, you'll get that 2,750 points on top of the 2,500 bonus points. So that right there will give you $5.25. So you're gonna have a moneymaker on your hands. Now you can instantly cash that out for a $5 gift card. They don't have Walgreens, but they have CVS, they have Walmart, they have Nike, they have restaurants. If you want to go to the movies, they have like AMC theater gift cards, you name it. So super, super hot deal. I wanted to make sure I shared with you guys real quick. So here is my referral code and the deal that you guys can do. I'll probably stop by again to be able to do more of that laundry care deal because that was a really good deal on laundry care items. I need to stock up on those on the Downy fabric softener, and those little Unstoppables smell really good. So I actually wound up picking up one of those and kind of switching around the deal that I was gonna do. Everything else worked out perfectly. So no issues, no glitches, no nothing like that. Let me know in the comments below if there's another deal that you guys wound up taking advantage of that I may have missed, so I can come back and take advantage of it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.